Hi, today we're going to learn about the Wrap TextureBrick shader. Let's first look at the objects we're going to use. We use the well and the flat plane. Now what we want to do is open the material editor and then let's open a list of available color shaders. Let's choose the Wrap TextureBrick shader. Let's close on the list and let's open up the properties. As you can see, we have two different brick colors that we choose from this time. Let's make it a bit darker for the first brick and maybe a bit lighter for the second one so we can tell the difference. And the motor colors, make that a bit grayish kind of motor. Now what we want to do is we probably want to apply it to a wall to see what it looks like. So let's put the floor and then the wall. As you can see, it's a bit too stretched out, so let's decrease it down to 0.3. And let's also change the brick width to 0.3 over here, and the brick height, we can probably make that 0.2. Let's apply it to our wall to see how that looks. We'll do a render to see how that looks. And even right now, we have a pretty decent picture of a wall sitting on top of a brick floor. What we want to do now is explore the other parameters that we have for the Wrap TextureBrick shader. There's the motor size, which we've already covered in the previous tutorial for the Wrap brick shader. That affects how wide the motor is. We don't want it too wide, so let's leave it at 0.02. And we also have the rough scale, rough amplitude, and seed variables. These affect the rough parameters affect like how rough the interaction between the brick color and the motor color. So let's increase the scale to 0.5 so we can see it easier, or even 0.6. And then let's increase the roughness scale. This will basically affect the scale of the roughness, so you can stretch it out over bigger distances, or make the scale less so that the roughness is more concentrated and more focused. We also increase or decrease amplitude. If you decrease down to 0, basically get a straight motor. If you increase it up high, pretty high, you get really wiggly motor lines. We probably don't want that wiggly, so make it 0.5. And the C basically just affects both the noise inside the bricks and the noise of the motor, so it uses to randomize that a bit. And we apply it to our wall. Let's apply it to our floor as well. The scale is probably too big, so let's decrease that to 0.1. To a floor, and then 0.2 for a wall. So let's render that and see what that looks like. There you go. The Wrap TextureBrick shader gives you a much more realistic looking brick for your scene. So we'll cancel that render and we'll learn more about the other brick shader in the following